In this video, I will show you how to add and use the accessibility button on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Select Touch. Turn on Accessibility Touch. Customize accessibility shortcut features. Single tap, double tap, and long press. Select any one. Single tap to open menu. Double tap to open Control Center. You can change accessibility features. You can speed up your work by using accessibility shortcuts.